show you the suicide doors just a moment. See that? Completely open on either side. Just love that feature. You only see that in supercars. Let's just step inside and wow. Okay.
So let's do it.
Oof.
Sound is good.
Sounds amazing. Doesn't need to. I think you're the one who knows the directions. Right here.
Yeah. And then please left.
Stay on the left.
Yeah. Perfect.
Complete left.
Completely left is fine. Yeah,
okay.
That's good. That's good.
Wow, the leather feels so good. Very thick leather. I just love the high gloss black around the spokes, and the Hofele brand sits down here as well on the flat bottom design, and we have the traditional drive units on either side. Paddle shifters finished in black as well, high gloss black. Notice the high gloss black around the air vents as well, and at the center here carbon fiber high gloss in black as well, and we also looked at the speakers up here in black as well. I can feel the side bolsters helping the seat adjust. We'll stand left.
Check the left side, it's fine.
Okay. And I just love how the G-Wagon sits up high compared to other cars. It feels very good.
You have a different, we can put the dynamic, the sport, suspension.
Okay.
Sport plus, no, right, this way, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah.
So now you have the fully sport.
Is on the right or?
No, left is
okay.
fine. So
okay.
behind the
okay. I can tell you from the driver's perspective, very comfortable. No compromises in comfort.
Yeah.
Side bolsters, big plus as well.
You have a lot of comfortable features in this car.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, you have the seats also have the massage function.
Oh, massage as well. Yeah, for sure.
It feels.
This is the German Autobahn.
Now you have also here limit, but after there,
okay,
you don't have more speed limit.
After here, there's no limit for.
After a little bit more.
Okay. So I think we're used to miles per hour, but this is kilometers per hour because. But again, we have a global audience.
Yeah.
So this G63 is currently available for sale. So you can actually buy this car today.
Yeah.
I feel so good driving this car. There is no compromise at all. So must feel very different compared to the 800, Hofele 800.
Yeah, that's of course it's another thing, you know. That's a power increase for more than 20%. That's you have another kick. Yeah? When you push a little bit more, then it's like a rocket, you know. That's,
yeah.
It's more aggressive. It's more stronger. And also, of course, feels completely different if you have a G-Wagon with 800 horsepower than with 585. So that's the G-Wagon is a huge car. You know? It's a big one, and then if you have so much horsepower, that's feel like you know, it's like a rocket.
Yeah,
like
and you can just, yeah, I can just imagine the 800 how it drives. I think it's I think it's dropped down here to 80.
Yeah, that's, target is always to, you know, to finish our cars with a really high feeling of exclusivity.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also our main goal, and then mix this one with small sportly character. Yeah.
Exactly. And right now you are expecting to ship in you're already shipping in Dubai and Europe, but not in North America just yet.
Yes. Yeah, it's coming. We work on this.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, kick down. You just feel it. You're like, yes.
Yeah.
It's just delivered.
Feel the band.
Yeah.
Push you. Yeah, that is.
Wow. You definitely feel it.
Absolutely comfortable car, you know. So we in Germany also drive a lot of miles or kilometers in a year, you know.
Yeah.
And then you need a car that also have a lot of comfort, of course.
Yes.
And also a lot of power, you know. So if you drive in the German highways, autobahns, yeah, so then you must drive fast, you know.
That is true.
Yeah, the minimum that you can drive is like 120 kilometers hour.
So
if you drive 80, 90, it's not allowed, you know. That's too less. You can do, but trust me,
for those who don't know,
trouble there.
Yeah, that's 80 miles an hour. That's the minimum speed limit is 80 miles an hour on the autobahn. So you cannot even. So that's the maximum in most states in the US. Maybe 75 miles an hour, which is at least everyone is driving 200 kilometers per hour, 250.
Yeah. So of course in the parts of the autobahn when you don't have a speed limit, then yes, then you must drive faster. So we drive now to the customer center and the main factory from Mercedes-Benz.
Yeah, yeah.
So Hofele is a Mercedes-Benz partner. So look, the guys.
Yeah, I see
they
that.
ask them, what is this?
Yeah, I know.
What's going on with my over G-bonds? Please, straight line.
Oh, straight. Oh, yeah.
You can drive. It's no problem.
Oh, right through there.
Yeah, straight line. No problem. So that's the customer center. What you can see here. Please, right side. Straight line. Stop here. Oh, off the side.
Yeah.
We can turn.
So we made it to Mercedes-Benz in Stuttgart. That's where we're here. We just made it to Mercedes-Benz headquarters in Stuttgart, in the Hofele G63